Yesterday we older brother rob one of our staff member. I come at work yesterday evening. Apparently when him juke the staff member, but apparently choose a female and she just a come from the machine. Him just ride up on him bike and tell her, say, give me the bag. First him asked her for a direction to somewhere. And she said, she don't know where that is because she just start work at Hawkeye. And apparently him now decide say, alright, you want me have a gun for me. So give me your bag and your phone. So she give him the bag. Then she said, no man, you can't get the phone. Him said, give me the card and the money. So she give him the card and the money. And him take back Gara back her bag. And him just ride off. So she come up and I tell we have set up a sting operation same time. Call back the phone, tell him say, you what happen? We're gonna give you money if you give her the phone and the card. Say him say 5 grand. Then him change from 5 grand to 7 grand and him change the location them. That time in a plane car wait for him. We don't have no marked vehicle. Park up in the gas station that a right neutral life there's upon Oxford Road. That a Texaco. And wait for him as him ride in and come off of the bike. Kickstand I go call the girl. The girl say him that cause she didn't have the car, she say him that. So we just fly out and hold him. So the video this we find him in over 3 dozen bank card, find him with also L card. We find him with must about 8 iron phone, right? With SIM card in them same way. So we fix him business whenever we're able to fix him up still.
Alright,
No, what's up with them? You know where I'm going to
you don't know what that was?
I know where I'm going to
Hold up your blood clot face. Hold up your face.